Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, I'm back with another card using the Wildflower Birthday series of products, suite of products. This is the Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper. This is a specialty paper because it has gold foiling as well as laser cut ephemera. Like there's two 12 by 12 sheets of the same laser cut ephemera, and then 2 pages that you can cut out with scissors, or you can just leave it plain for the designer series paper. We're going to be using the birthday celebration bundle. So we have the stamps and the dies. We'll be using that, and I think we're also going to be using the party dots that is a part of this suite as well. Okay, so before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. First, we have a new paper pumpkin kit. It's the Daisy Daydream. You have until March 10th to subscribe to get this particular kit. It's going to make 9 cards, and Lost Lagoon is going to be the classic stamping spot, and it includes a free additional stamp set. So you're going to get 2 stamp sets in this month's paper pumpkin. And the dies, Spring is in the Air add-on dies for $12. Coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kit. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Speaking of freebies, we still have celebration going on, but not for long. During celebration, when you place a qualifying order, you get to choose free products from our celebration brochure. We also have a join special. You purchase the starter kit for $99 plus tax, and you get to choose $125 worth of product. Now, the special is you have 2 separate options that you can choose from to add on to your starter kit. We have option 1 with the exclusive stamp set and 2 sets of Stampin' Right markers and any of the 4 color. You get to choose 2 from any of the 4 color families. If you don't want that option, option 2 is to add an additional $30 onto your $125 worth of product that you choose for the $99 plus tax. Shipping will be free, okay? Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. However, during celebration, I have a promotion going on. When you spend $100 in product and you use my host code, I'm going to send you one of these boxes for free. Now, if your order is $150 or more, don't use that host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. I don't want you to miss out on that, but I'll still send you your box, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our card. So we're going to go straight into stamping, and I have some basic white here. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4, but it's basically whatever size you need because it's scrap. I'm just going to stamp our sentiment and some blueberry bushel, and it says make a wish, and I'm going to stamp that right in the middle here, just like that. So that's all we need that ink for. Then I'm going to get another piece that we need for our inside of our card, which is exactly the same size, 3.5 by 4 3/4. But this one, it's not scrap. So you need to be careful with your stamp. And I'm going to get our designer series paper that I'm going to be putting on the inside. I'm just going to put this on here, about right there, so I can stamp. Our first image is going to be in soft seafoam, and I'm going to just put that right there. And then we're going to do a little flower in peach pie. I'm going to take that image and put it right there, just like that. And that is all of our stamping done. Since we have our inside out, let's go ahead and put some adhesive right here at the bottom to adhere our designer series paper. Hopefully I didn't go too far down. Which side? I think I want to do it this way. Yeah, that's good. Let me get it on there straight. Okay. Oh, did I cut this? Make sure I stamp this the right direction. Oh, I got glue on my desk. All these little marks on my desk is because I get glue all over and then it doesn't come off. So I'm gonna get some Stampin' Seal and we're gonna add this to a blueberry bushel mat that is 5 by 3 3/4. Just like that, and that's our inside done. Then I have our card base here. It is pretty in pink, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Burnish that score line down with our bone folder. Then we can add our inside to the inside of our card base. Just like this. Okay. We have that done. And next I'm going to do some die cutting. So we're going to take our sentiment that we stamped here, and I have the die from the birthday celebration dies, and we're going to die cut that image. Okay, so I'm just going to take this. We're going to line this up. And I want it somewhat at the top, but not all the way. I'm just going to put a little piece of washi tape on that. And we're going to run this through our... Okay, so now we have all of this, well, not all of this, but this one thing die cut out. And we're going to set this to the side. So this is our focal image. So we're going to take our base here and we're going to get some blueberry bushel that is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and we're going to adhere some designer series paper. Now this was one sheet of paper that was 5 1/4 by 4. I think, yeah, it was 5 1/4 by 4. Then I cut it down to 5 1/4 by 2. So we have two pieces of the same size, and we're just going to flip it just like that. So we're going to get some liquid glue, because I wanted to use some of the pretty side. I've been using all of the, well, both sides are pretty, but I've been using the non-specialty side of the paper, and I wanted to use some of the specialty. So, ooh, I should have looked and seen which one I wanted the flowers. But I wanted to show off some of this gold. Let me see here. Ooh, please have time to scoot, because I need to scoot. Scoochy, scoochy over. Oh, am I in frame? We're going to just line these up together. Hopefully they're even. Okay. Then I have a piece of blueberry bushel that is 1/8 inch by 5 3/8. I think it's either 5 3/8 or 5 1/4. I have to see. It might be 5 1/4. The same length as the paper, the designer series paper, and not the cardstock. I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid glue down the center there. And we're going to pop this on right in the middle where those seams meet. And it seems to be 5 3/8. Ooh, ooh. Lift up here. It's 5 3/8. Or a little shy of it anyway. Okay, so now we have that. We're going to put this onto, I think I'm supposed to put some ribbon or something on here. Let's see. I have the gold open weave trim. Let's put some of this on there. I don't know if this was planned. I don't think I planned this. But I think I want to put some of this on there. So let me get some tear and tape. And we're going to tape a piece of this. Since we're using the gold side of the designer series paper, why not? Let's get this on there. Just going to wrap that around, tape it down, get our scissors, cut that off. Okay, bone folder, help burnish this tear and tape down so that we can peel it off without it coming up. There we go. Add some liquid glue. Whoop. Slow down. Slow down. There we go. And I want the foil side to the left. And we'll put that on. This was just a quick change up. I did not plan to put this ribbon on here. And let's see. I am going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals for our sentiment here. Let's turn that over. Pop it up. Pop it up, pop it up, pop it up. Is that a dimensional overkill? Not too much this time, right? I'm trying to not use so many. Trying. I don't think it's going to work because I really like putting the dimensionals on. I want to put this right here with that point on that blueberry bushel strip down the middle. And yes, you would not need this strip if you cut your designer series paper smaller, but since it was already cut at 4 by it was actually cut at 4 by 6, I cut off 3/4 of an inch to put on the inside. Then I cut it down to 2 because that was even. I'll just put the strip on. Let's see what I want to do now. I have another piece of, I have a little piece of the laser cut ephemera or die cut that was in the paper pack, and I want to put this on here. Like that or like this? No, I think I want the blue down, and I'm not going to pop that up because we already have dimensionals under this part. So we're going to glue this down flat. Just like that. Isn't that cute? And now we're going to add some bling. We have the party dots. They come in Peach Pie, Pool Party, and Pretty in Pink. And we are going to use, I think I want to use, I haven't used any Pool Party, but I don't want Pool Party on this. I think I'm going to use Peach Pie because we have the pink on the base, the blue here, and just a little bit of Peach Pie there. So let's bring out some of this Peach Pie. I think I want to put 2 at the top here. And then 1 at the bottom here. And we'll call that done. Isn't that cute? I like this. This is super cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.